It's recording. It's recording now, you know.
Oh, that's cool.
How do you feel?
I feel great. There we go. So it should be a roundabout somewhere here. No! No! I do not want to damage the car.
No, that's the last.
I remember when I bought my Hyundai. I'm sure I went up there. Okay, you do that. I'll just go this way.
Pretty
so where
much.
do I go from here? Straight ahead.
Yeah.
Okay. Do you want to try the jolt?
No. Ah! Almost dropped your phone. You're gonna see that video there, the phone just twists as well. Crazy.
Racing suspension based on location. So I want to go slightly further now. Should I go up there?
I think you've drove enough.
Oh,
Should you go in?
I'm gonna go straight over here.
Camera's on wide, so it's getting everything you do. Every dirty trick you do. Including putting your foot down, which you're not going to do then, because I'm going to drop your phone.
Can I go down here? So I can. Actually, no, I'll go further up. This is really easy to drive, I'm not going to lie.
How easy though? You just
Like-
literally learn it.
It's like go-kart easy.
That's what automatic cars are though, aren't they? Really?
The regenerative braking does help, but you just get annoying as well.
Oh, what's he doing?
Yeah, this is me.
You need to go on the lottery race? Someone there.
I would think so, yeah. Come on then, little buddy.
It just feels nice and smooth, literally. Suspension's really good. I can hardly feel any road balls. I can feel them, but it's nothing. You know, it's nothing to write home about. Compared to mine, you can feel pretty much every little bump you go down.
Oh,
This is lovely.
thank you. Or you would have to let me through, wouldn't you?
Yeah.
Thank you. Hello, ladies. Oh dear.
But you thought that was someone I knew then. Literally just on the left and after.
Yeah. Oh, I guess that's us. It's just
Power's just, you're feeling the engine braking as well, kind of thing,
yeah,
aren't
yeah.
you?
You can't hear anything either.
Just apart from the fans.
Yeah, yeah. Because it's in ludicrous mode still. Oh, very high. Very low, please. Driving. Yeah, ludicrous. Oh, steering mode sport. Slip start.
Oh my gosh, don't need any of them settings. If anything, I think the dynamic range of your camera is better than mine.
I don't know.
So you're sold on this, aren't you?
Oh, yes.
See this video and I start screaming.
Part there. So if I go down here.
You can just reverse back down.
Yeah. This is too easy. I bet you could probably launch this in reverse as well.
I beg you not.
Oh no, I wouldn't. I do need to sort out these mirrors though. This one.
It's probably the reason why.
No. There we go.
You know, it's probably the reason why they let you drive the car, because it will sell you on it. You know, they're gonna see, look, he's a natural. Let's try and get him on some sort of plan. You easy.
Where are we parked? We parked here.
Yeah, you know that spot just down there. Yeah, that's where we're going pretty much. Reese driving like a bad man. Comes back safely.
Park. And then how do you know it's off? Again? How would you know it's off? We'll take that off. No. No.
You gotta figure this one out.